A subscription will give you full access to the game. Let's make the best pizza ever. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered today. Purchase a subscription and feed all your friends. Cost. Choose a pizza to make. Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Basil, olive oil. You're doing great. Halfway through. Cheese. Tomatoes. Well done. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Make some pizza. Tear off all the leaves. This needs to be cut. We need to grate this. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A snowdrift ahead. Watch out! A log ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done! Everyone's full and happy. Tap! Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.